Hey bro, today we are going to install Snap in our Chromebook. So let's start it. First, open your terminal and update and upgrade packages. After this, you have to install these both package for install the Snap. And now run this command for install Snap. After installing Snap, you can run this command which is here. But I'm not going to run this first. I'm going to find some packages which is of Snap. Just find hello world package, so you can see this is available. I'm going to install it. Just type sudo snap install hello world and it will be automatically start downloading. And code is dependency of Snap, so it is automatically installing, which I was saying to install in starting, but no matter, and you have to wait for some time. And if you are getting this error, so you can shut down your Linux and again try to install package, any package, that could be any. So I'm going to install again hello world. So finally it is going to be installed. So finally it is installed, and this is how you can install Snap and install many packages, many dependencies and many apps which is of Linux, which is compatible with Linux. You can install this, install that's all, and you can run on your Chromebook how you can install Snap. Hope this video helped you, and thank you very much.